Hello YouTube, it's me again. I got stuff in my car. Probably should blur the plate out, but oh well. Hunt me down and I forgot about my fly here. Oh my god. Give me free shows. Can you still see me? Yeah. They're doing construction next door, so you might hear some weird noises. Anyway, today we got some metal rods and I'll show you. I cut them up at the I can't really say factory, but these are the small pieces, the little end pieces, the 4-foot ones. And if it falls somewhere, I got some 3/8 inch rod that I cut around 8 feet. These are about 8 feet long. Put them in the fancy pile here. I'm not sure of it. Yeah, something's in the way. Like everything. Everything. Alright. Yeah, 2 20-foot 3/8 inch rod. 1 20-foot inch and a quarter angle bracket. And 1 inch and a quarter. Damn thing doesn't want to fit here. Take this out of the way. Basically, this is my garage. I gotta put something under here. Something under here while I pull this off my wreck my seat. The angle bracket that I bought is for the little kitchen bench I'm working on. So it's my little haul of today. Yeah, I managed to put 20 linear feet of angle bracket in a Honda Fit, cut down to 8 feet. I could have got 9-foot in there, but it's kind of stretching it because it, what do you call it? Might go right through my front windshield. But if I do that, I learned that, even though you can't see me here, I don't know if you can see me right here. If I put them in my car, I learned that I should probably aim the angle bracket towards the passenger side, because if I get into a wreck, if I get rear-ended, basically I'm going to be impaled by 6-foot, 8-foot steel rods. So, you know, it's all good. Anyway, that's the first portion of this video. The second portion will be me showing you on the bench later when I put the, what do you call it, angles on the kitchen bench and start welding it. So stay tuned and keep watching my channel. Oh, and to the latest 35 subscribers, awesome. You the bomb. Thanks for joining and hope you can stay a while.